Hey guys, my name is Miss Dupree. I teach kindergarten. Absolutely love it because they always have something to say. There's so much energy, and I get to be a super dorky teacher, and they don't care because they're fine. My teacher tip for today is bring breaks or music and dancing. As a teacher, it helps me stay sane to have music going and dancing going because the kids are moving and interacting, and it helps me out, helps the kids out. So I have a couple of channels that I like to listen to. You can go straight to YouTube and you can type in Jack Hartman, Cuckoo Kangaroo. You could just type in brain breaks and find videos. Awesome. Or you could go to gonoodle.com. Teachers can also set up an account, or parents. So you can have an account as a parent and have some cool dance moves and videos for your kids to watch and do. It works out great. I suggest that have them get started working in the morning, do a little brain break after any little thing that they do for work, maybe 30 minutes, and it will help your day go smoothly and the kids' day go smoothly. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite dances and songs, so here you go. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to listen to some music for your brain break, for parents break, for teacher break, and of course for the students break.